Reporting a lost wallet to police.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I want to report a lost wallet.
Of course. Please sit down.
Thank you. I am very stressed.
I understand. Let's sort this out. When did you lose it?
This morning, around 9, I think.
And where were you at 9?
On the bus, number 47.
Did you check with the bus company?
Bus company? Can they help?
Yes, they have a lost property office.
I did not know that. I come here first.
No problem. We'll file a report too.
What is inside? Do you need to know?
Yes, please. Describe the contents.
Cards, my ID, some cash.
How much cash approximately?
Maybe 40 pounds? I am not sure.
Okay. What color is the wallet?
Brown, leather, small size. My name inside.
Your name is inside the wallet?
Yes, on a small card. Yara Khalil.
That's very helpful. Makes identification easier.
Do you think someone will find it?
It happens more than you'd expect.
Starting a new yoga class.
Welcome. Is this your first yoga class?
Yes, first time ever. I am scared.
Don't be. Everyone starts somewhere.
I am not very flexible.
Perfect. That's exactly why people come.
Really? Flexible people don't come?
Flexible people come to show off.
Okay, I feel better now.
Do you have any injuries I should know?
Injuries. My lower back. Sometimes it hurts.
Good to know. I'll give you easier options.
Easier options? There were different levels?
Yes, every pose has a beginner version.
Good. Because I saw videos online.
Forget those videos. Too advanced.
People were like folded in half.
That takes years, Mateo. Years.
Okay, I only want to relax and breathe.
Then you're in the right place.
One question, do I need special clothes?
Comfortable clothes, nothing tight or stiff.
I am wearing jeans today, sorry.
Just this once, jeans are fine.
I will know better next time.